Thank you very much. Mr. Johnson, uh, you, well, you have been incarcerated since the inception of this case, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
In the Jefferson County Correctional Facility.
Yes, sir.
Can you just briefly kind of explain the personal growth that you've experienced and realizations you've had since you've been in custody?
Oh, I believe out in 2024, maybe around like February. Um, I really changed in my life to Christ. But I was in and out, one foot in this, one foot doing that. So when I got incarcerated the first time, it really was an eye opener. Like, you know, I don't know if God tested me to do this or whatever it was, but as I was going through it, I've matured, I've developed, I've been in my word. All I do is read it. Whole Bible study Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I mean, that's not a thing, just be, but that's what I do. And it's just really matured, made me see things from a different perspective.
The jury has heard a lot about some past criminal conduct. Um, Back during most of that conduct, were you uh, were you a person with a substance abuse disorder?
Yes, sir.
And did not that, and I think you realize, well, you don't think that that justifies what happened in the past, do you?
No, sir.
Oh, you take full responsibility for
Yes, sir.
those. And I believe you testified earlier that you, aside from the present allegations, in the past, when you've messed up, you've kind of accepted responsibility for that. Um, and so, in terms of the changes that you've undergone, um, do you do you believe that once you are discharged, however that may be, whether parole or otherwise, uh, that you will be able to continue on the good path, so to speak?
Oh, yes, sir. Well, whether, found me guilty or not, I pray for each and every last one of you. I thank God for you, for your time. And yeah, I've just really grown. So it's no grudges, it's no, it's just it's acceptance. I accept because that's what God would have me do, and that's what I would do. And yeah, once I get out, I'm trying to be productive in the community. Uh, I see a lot of things on TV as with the violence, with the no guidance. At one point, me and my brother, when I did get out, we had started to put the guns down, pick the gloves up, and we had youth coming, and that's what they was doing. They was training, trying to show them discipline. And when he furthered along, he had little league things, but I feel that they was positive role models to me. I mean, some situations was kind of beyond my control, but I was, you could say, wrong place, wrong time type of thing. And but I accept all things. I accept it all. And I'm just I'm growing, I grow from it. I'm better. I give God the glory. So
And with regard to during the guilt innocence phase of the trial, we heard from Mr. Cooper um, that that life that you were engaged in back when most of your charges arose. Is that when you got to know Mr. Cooper?
uh I've been on Daryl for over 15 years. But what really got me was what how Daryl came on the stand as if I was some modern day Billy the Kid or something, or just taking him down or taking his money or hurting him in any kind of way. Me and that man never had a relationship. I've never touched him. I've never pulled a weapon on him. But I mean, who knows what he's dealing with to come up here and say things like that. I'm not mad at him either. It's just who knows what he had going on, who knows what he was told. It's just, it's acceptance. I mean, now I have to be dealing with that and trying to, face that and trying to get people to see that, well, I've never did anything to this man, as if he said I had a gun, but said he heard a slide, but it was no gun that he ever seen on me. Only thing he said that was truthful was that I was there. And that's one thing that really gets me, because when the dude did whatever he did to Mr. Cooper, I was sitting there, but just as shocked as he was, I was like, what are you doing? As you can see, he's an old man. He has no money. You see that now. I mean,
Mr. Johnson, can you describe briefly your support structure?
I have a family. Y'all seen him earlier. If y'all paying attention, look like Suge Knight. That was my brother back there. That's my oldest brother. It's 10 of us. Most of them work. But I have my mother. She's still living. My father, he's still living. They're older. They're elderly. My nieces, my two nephews just went to the army. One of my nephews is training to be a nurse, so doctor or something like that, a heart surgeon. And well, the family is, we always been a close knit family. It's 10 of us. We always been close knit. I call every last one of them. I call my mom. We always just been tight. We just, gets around and see us all outside and think it's a party, but it's not. It's just a family get together.
You indicated that in the not too distant past you have rededicated your life to God, I believe is what you said.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a particular place of worship that you intend to attend when you are discharged or released?
Yes, sir. Macedonia Baptist Church is right off Gladys. It's small, but I've been to it a couple of times. It's powerful. Good word in there. The spirit is moving in there. And that's a place that has accepted me, and I still call the pastor. And he prays with me, and he give me things that I give back to others, kind of comment, feedback thing. Uh, and it's just a place that I'm gonna go when I get out.
I want to ask you about something in part because of what the law specifies with regards to sentencing in these matters. Uh, do you recall the date that your incarceration began?
Uh, yes, sir. On my birthday, I went, reported, and turned myself in because I was a suspect in another case, and I volunteered to call them, turned myself in, gave my statement, and it's been since September 14th,
Of
2024.
And so, while you have been in custody at Jefferson County, have you I mean, do you earn money when you're in there?
I work, and they do pay weekly. I worked at maximum security, where Captain Under is over. I worked at maximum security. They pay you $8 a week. I mean, it entitles some things that I'm pretty sure a lot of people wouldn't want to do, but yeah.
Right. And so, in terms of ability to pay a fine, because you are in custody now, have been since 2024, and will continue to be until such time as you are discharged, everything that you're dealing with be cleared up. Do you have the ability to earn the funds that would pay a fine of up to $10,000?
No, sir, no, sir. I wouldn't be able to obtain them funds. If I had $10,000, then I'd be probably fighting this from the world or trying to settle it from the world. But No, sir, there's no way for me to pay $10,000.
I'll pass the witness, sure.
Thank you, Mr.
No
Wilkerson.
questions for this defendant, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. You can have a seat.